Good morning, my dear friends. We will continue our chapter Employment. Today we will discuss employment in firms, factories, and offices. First of all, distribution of employment in different sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. In primary sector, it includes agriculture, forestry, logging, fishing, mining, and quarrying. Secondary sector includes manufacturing, construction, electricity, gas and water supply. Tertiary sector includes trade, transport, storage and services. Yes, friends, through this table, we will discuss distribution of workforce by industry according to region, according to sex. Latest data is given from latest NCERT book. First of all, we will discuss distribution of employment in different sectors. Yes, friends, you can see in the table, primary sector is the main source of employment for majority of workers in India. 44.6 means approximate, if we take in round figure, 45%. Secondary sector provide employment to 24% of workforce and about 31% of workers are in service sector. 45% in primary sector, 24 in secondary sector, 31 in tertiary sector. Yes, friends, employment in rural areas about 60%. We will discuss in the round figure. About 60% of workforce in rural area depends upon agriculture, forestry, fishing. About 20% of rural workers are working in manufacturing industries, construction and other industrial activities. Service sector provide to only 20% of rural workers. So, mainly population in rural area depend upon agriculture. Yes, students, employment in urban areas. Agriculture is not a major source of employment in urban area. Only 7% people depend upon primary sector. 34% people are involved in secondary sector, but people are mainly engaged in service sector with 59% of urban workers, 59% in service sector, 7% in primary sector, 34% in secondary sector. Yes, friends, you can see in a rural area, 60% population depend upon primary sector, whereas in urban area, maximum population depend in the tertiary sector. Now we will discuss distribution of employment, male-female, in different sectors. Male employment, you can see in the schedule, 41% of male population is concentrated in primary sector, 27% in secondary sector, 33% male workers are engaged in service sector. If we will take the data, female employment, about 57% of female workforce is employed in the primary sector, 17% in secondary sector. If we will take round figure 18%, 17.7 means 18% in the secondary sector, 25% in service sector. Yes, students, female workers concentrated in the primary sectors, but women workers concentration is very high in the primary sector. Now we will discuss growth and changing structure of employment. Yes, friends, you can see this figure. This question is very important. During the period 1960 to 2000, GDP of India grew positively and was higher than the employment growth. There was always fluctuation in the growth of GDP. During this period, employment grew at a stable rate of about 2%. You can see in the diagram. In the late 1990s, employment growth started declining and reached the level of growth that India had in the early stages of planning. During these years, there is a widening gap between the growth of GDP and employment. This means that in the Indian economy, without generating employment, we have been able to produce more goods and services. This phenomenon is known as jobless growth. Yes, friends, what is jobless growth? Jobless growth refers to a situation when the economy is able to produce more goods and services without a proportionate increase in employment opportunities. Growth in changing structure of employment, you can see in the table 1972-73 data is given up to 2017-2018. So trends in employment pattern sector wise and status wise 1972 to 2018 in percentage is given. Yes, friends, according to the schedule, we can say in 1972-73, about 74.3% of workforce was engaged in primary sector, and in 2017-18, this proportion has declined to 45%. Secondary and service sectors are showing promising future for the Indian workforce. Distribution of workforce in different status indicates that over the last 4 decades, 1972 to 2018, you can see in this trend, self-employed persons has decreased, regular salaried slightly increased, casual workers increased. People have moved from self-employment and regular salaried employment to casual wage work. Self-employment continues to be the major employment provider. Movement of yes, friends. Casualization of workforce. What is casualization of workforce? The process of moving from self-employment and regular salaried employment to casual wage work is known as the casualization of workforce. We will continue our chapter tomorrow. Thank you.